We recently visited the Imperial Regional Detention Facility in Calexico, California, where we invited administration to select a video story for us to cover. Of all the positive topics and successes taking place at the facility, they requested a profile on their maintenance department.
With the crew that they have and the supervisor that they have done nothing but outstanding work. It's been excellent. They're always on top of things. They don't miss any deadlines. They communicate well with the administration along with department heads.
Rudy Hernandez is the maintenance department supervisor. He recognizes the department's responsibilities are vast.
From landscaping to our generators to our pump houses, everything. There's anything that is needed maintenance-wise, our department takes care of it.
And it doesn't just have to be maintenance related. They're willing to do whatever is necessary to get the job done for the betterment of the team here at IRDF.
They manage to get the job done. No matter what time it is, they get called in the middle of the night, over the weekend. They come down and they fix it because they care.
The support that I have received from this administration, this facilities administration, you're only able to go as far as you're allowed to go. The support we receive from them to get the job done is awesome. So that's an important factor for success of, I believe, any department.
The success of the maintenance department also includes the other departments of the facility.
If maintenance is in need, then people are willing to step up and help them out because they do so much for everybody else. I'm grateful to have the team that we have here, not just in maintenance, but the entire IRDF team, because that's really what it is. It's not a group of employees or individual departments. It's a team and it's a family. And I'm blessed to be here with this group.